Brad Williams, Excel Prime, sum up every 3 columns going across. Can we do it? Here, let's look at the internals here. Column times 3. Keep in mind, where are we? We're in O. What row are we in? Let's look at this thing. Columns. I just copied it down here. And if you're going to do this, make sure you're in the right column. Otherwise, your numbers are going to be all screwed up. Stay in the right column. What's column? Well, we're in column 15. All right? Count over. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's going to be 15. Then it says explicitly, give me the column of 05. And what does it say? Multiply 15 minus 15 times 3. 0. Okay? That's our starting point. How does that apply? Well, go in here and I have row, and then I have column 0. So I have row 0 and column 0. And I have a height of 1, and then 3. The width, that means I'm going to grab 3 of these. I'm going to put that information right here in my column. That's the offset. You're going to plant your flag here, and then everything is driven off of that reference. If you go to the right, what happens? We've paid so much attention to rows and the impact of rows and counting rows. Well, we're doing the same thing now with columns. Move to the right. Now we have this column, 05, the absolute reference. Absolute. We have to keep that in place. What's 16 minus 15? 1 times 3. 3. What are we doing? All we're doing is we're going to do this and look at this, F9. Our reference, B5. Our rows, 0. Columns from your starting point, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got to move over 3 in order to start. Your height, 1, and your width, 3. So now we go over 1, 2, 3. And then you do this thing repeatedly, over and over and over. Pretty cool, but it's hard to visualize. It really is. It's very complex, but it's very simple once you get the feel. It's a matter of just getting used to a completely different train of thought. Other than that, this one is practice. You're going to practice this thing until we're tired of the darn thing. Keep in mind, remember where we started? We started at 0. We started at 0. When we have this second example and we see 3, F9, well, it's 0, 1, 2, 3. And you're wondering, okay, now I got it. And from there, you're just going to keep adding 3. Here's the sum. What's it going to do? It's going to sum these numbers, F9. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.